Hello boys, what's going on? It's again your boy the Dark Angel here, and today I'm going to show you my new gear setup. This is the monitor from LG UltraGear, 32-inch monitor, 165Hz, AMD FreeSync Premium HDR, and 1440p monitor. Let's drop it in. And here it is, guys. As you can see, this is my YouTube channel. This is a 75Hz monitor, full HD, and this is my new brand monitor. As you can see, it's pretty clear and it's already in 2Ks. I'm giving some options right there. In the graphics, as you can see, guys, is the LG display monitor, and the screen refresh rate is at 165Hz. And I'm enabling the sync every frame to not lose every detail. Thanks for joining, thanks for watching my video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and to like my video. See you guys on the next live stream.